In this video, we want to make an adjustment to our airline example. This example is a high-level model defining key concepts such as passenger, flight, airline, and airport. A literate ontology named quotes holds the business definitions for given a quote for a flight paid by miles. The price of a quote depends on the flight distance and some discounts that may apply. Our change is to add extra services to quotes, such as choosing the passenger seat or a carbon offset option. So the first thing we do is we add a new property, include services, to the quote class, which range is a new class extra service. And an extra service has a price in miles. Then we must add these extra services cost in the rule that computes the price of a quote. The extra miles are the sum of all of the extra services price in miles for that quote. Next, we add a new section to define a few extra services. The choose your seat service has a fixed cost, so we can just create an instance of extra service and give it a price of 50 miles. For carbon offset, we want to make it dependent on the flight distance. So we create a new class, carbon offset, and make it a subclass of extra service. And we add a new rule to compute its price in miles for a given distance. We can now exercise our model in the test knowledge base. The test quote without any extra service price is 5,996 miles. If we add the choose your seat, it gets 50 miles more expensive. If we add a carbon offset service, then the test quote gets an extra 60 miles. We need to update the existing test case, as it now fails. Of course, we can always explain the result. The extra services sum up to 110 miles, of which 60 miles are for the carbon offset due to the flight distance.